Alright, check that out for a gravity reading. Look at that. That's the gravity reading on my wash after 8 days. Now look at that, Law. It's right down to the bottom, like it's as low as it'll go. It was about 9, was it about 0.980 probably? Wow. Hi guys, happy Homebrew Wednesday. So, I'm actually going to add the Turbo Clear to my wash. Decided to go and pick it up so I can add it because, as you can see, it is now Monday. It's been just over 8 days since fermentation started, and I still got a kind of a, yellow milky-ish sort of color to it, and it's going to take, in order for that to clear naturally, that's going to take at least another week or two. And to be honest with you, I don't want to wait that long. I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to wait that long. Just took the gravity reading, and it's looking good. So I guess about original gravity was about 1110, and final gravity was 0.980. Yeah. Sweet. So I'm gonna pour this in. I'm gonna put in part A. Just all it is a clear liquid. You can't really see through it because just clear liquid, basically what it is. And so I put in part A, pour that in, give it a good stir, and then wait an hour, and then put in part B. See, it says right there. It removes 90% of the yeast and other unwanted compounds. Yeah. So I'm going to give it more than 24 hours to sit. The guy at the brew shop said you can even let it go 2 days, whatever. No, it won't hurt. It doesn't hurt. So as long as I get it ready for this weekend, it's Monday now, so I'll let it go and sit until Wednesday, and of course I'll finish this video off Wednesday and see how clear she comes Wednesday. Alrighty. And I did have a little sip. I didn't replace what I took out and put in the hydrometer. I didn't replace it, but I gave it a little sip, and wow, wow, it's got a nice little bit of alcohol heat to it. Alright, time to add my Turbo Pack Part B. Here goes. Let's add this sucker in. Alright, add her in, here we go, give it another quick stir. There she be. Let that sit for 24 to 48 hours. Jam that airlock back on there. Nice and tight. And she's off to the races. Time to let her clear. See you in a bit. Okay guys, well, it's basically been pretty much 48 hours later. It's now Wednesday at around just after noon, a little bit after noontime. This is basically the final result of the Turbo Clear. Now, you can still see what looks like some hovering particles in there, but I guess that's about as clear as it comes. I mean, that's just about as clear as she comes. Look at the thickness of the trub on the bottom, though. Wow. Damn, that's thick. What did you think of that? You know, see how it compares to the thickness of the hydrometer. Look. Look at that, look. Wow. Huh. Anyways, I'm gonna let it sit for one more day, and I'm gonna do my so-called, I guess, bottling process tomorrow. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to sterilize a measuring cup, a measuring unit, which will measure out a liter, and I'm going to sterilize a larger container with a spout on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to siphon out of this and into the measuring cup, get my exact measurements for my essence. Then I'm going to pour it into the larger container, and then I'm going to stir it in, like stir it around, mix it up real good, and then I'm going to proceed to pour it into what I will have is sanitized liquor bottles. I'm going to see if I can get some 40-ounce liquor bottles to put these spirits into. And by the way, in case I didn't mention it earlier in the video, the original gravity was approximately 1.110, and the final gravity was approximately, I think you've seen it on the hydrometer, it turned out to be about 0.980. At least that's, if that's what this hydrometer says to me. What have we got here? Well, it says 990, but it was right at the top, right on the black. So, I mean, it measured at the lowest point. So that must be 980, I guess, eh? Anyways, a fella worked it out for me, and my friend there worked it out for me, and apparently it's works out to somewhere right around 17 to 17.5% alcohol in there right now. So it's going to be, I mean, for the liqueurs, it'll be fine. That'll be great. For the, for the whiskeys that I'm going to brew up, I mean, it'll be very, very light whiskey, obviously, because I'm not distilling. So anyways, I'll, about tomorrow this time, about 24 or more hours from now, I'm going to bottle it all up, throw it into the liquor bottles, and I'll be sampling it. I'll do some sampling this weekend. If not before my cast, during my broadcast. Hope to see you guys there. Thanks a lot. Cheers, everyone. Happy Homebrew Wednesday. See you soon.